Hi everyone. I'm so excited to be here today with my son.
Hi.
So as you can see, we will be working with these awesome colors that my son chose. We're going to be working with some nice metallic black. We have a nice metallic blue here. Here we have some brilliant blue and some neon green. We're going to be working on this MDF. We'll probably end up making a tray with it. And my son decided that he wanted to do a puddle pour today. So that's what we're going to be going for, with the metallic black as our background and negative space. So here we go. I'm so proud of my son and how his painting turned out, and I'm always so impressed and amazed to see their creative results. So a big thank you to my son for sharing this with us. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.